coordinate geometry, coordinate geometry, quadrilateral. I am quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means qua, quadrilateral. Later means four four vertex. Vertex and four angle such as A B C D, A B C D, such as M is x1, y1 is equal to x2, y2, and c is equal to x3, y3, and this is equal to x4, x4, y4. Okay. Now I am discussing about the parallelogram. Which quadrilateral is parallelogram? Suppose parallelogram. What is parallelogram? I am discussing about parallelogram. 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 I am discussing the parallelogram. In which quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, it is a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD, it is a quadrilateral. Suppose quadrilateral. When is proved by parallelogram? When parallelogram? Condition of parallelogram. Condition of parallelogram. Parallelogram. Gram. Firstly, AB and this AD in BC. AD is equal to BC and AD parallel BC. First condition, and second condition, AB BC, AB BC, and AB parallel BC, parallel. Now I am discussing a parallelogram by coordinate system. What? The coordinate system by the parallelogram, diagonal converse. By the parallelogram, by the parallelogram, diagonal converse. Diagonal converse. Suppose this is a diagonal ABCD diagonal converse. This is a diagonal CDE bisect each other. CDE suppose ABCD quadrilateral is diagonal bisect. Bisects. What is the meaning of bisect? Bisect means AC and BD is a diagonal. BD is diagonal. Is a diagonal. And bisect. Bisect means if ABCD is O, AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OE. It is called bisect. Now I have discussing about a quadrilateral. Suppose that is the I have to draw a picture. This is what is this? C T E F. This is a quadrilateral. Now I have to prove it is a parallelogram. Suppose CF, I have to draw C and D FD. Bisect in N. And there is a calculation. What Fn? Fn is equal to what? Fn is equal to where given that fx minus fx minus fx minus 8. Fn is equal to fx minus 8. Fn is equal to x and dn is equal to dn. I mean and d. D is equal to 3x. Okay. And because it is a quadrilateral to parallel because CDEF is a parallelogram. So Fn is equal to Dn. Okay, Fn is equal to Dn. Now I have Fn is equal to 5x minus 8 and Dn is equal to 3x. Suppose I have to draw a Fn is equal to Dn. There fx or 5x minus 8 is equal to 3x or 3x or 3x. 5x minus 3x is equal to 8 and or 12x is equal to 8 is equal to x is equal to therefore x is equal to 4. I have to put that. So x is equal to 4. Now Fn. What is Fn? Suppose Fn x is equal to 4. So Fn is equal to what? Fn is equal to 5 into 4 minus 8 is equal to 20 minus 8 is equal to 10. 12. Now and Dn. Fn is equal to Dn. And Dn is equal to what? Trisex. Trisex is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12 is equal to Fn is equal to Dn. Quadrilateral. This is 12. So it is a quadrilateral. Okay. It is a quadrilateral and parallelogram. So CDEF is a quadrilateral, dilateral, and also parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Do you understand? Parallelogram. So this is fx minus 8 and this is 3x. Fx is equal to Fn is equal to fx 5x minus 8 and d of dn is equal to 3x. And this calculation bound to the R. For example, I have discussing this is a parallelogram. Okay. Now I am discussing another math solution of parallelogram and diagonal parallelogram and quadrilateral system. So I have to draw a picture. It is a next solution. So parallelogram opposite the parallelogram opposite by the parallelogram opposite system. Suppose this is a quadrilateral. I have to prove this parallelogram. What? How? It is PQ and RS. Okay. There is a x plus 9. This PQ is equal to x plus 9. Okay. This given that. Okay. PQ and SR. SR is equal to projects minus 1. X plus 9 projects minus 1. So as it is, I mean PQ RS is a parallelogram. So the parallelogram. So PQ is equal to RS or SR. Okay. Now the calculation. Now I have to calculate it. Okay. Please subscribe me if you like my speech. PQ is equal to SR or PQ is equal to x plus 9 and SR is equal to twice x minus 1. I have to erase this. Or 9 plus 1 is equal to twice x minus x is equal to x is equal to 10. Okay, x is equal to, we have to calculate 10. So when x is equal to 10, if x is equal to 10, so PQ is equal to what? Twice x plus 1. X plus 9. X plus 9. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So it is 19. PQ. Now I have to calculate SR. PQ and SR. SR is equal to twice x minus 1. 20 to 10 minus 1 is equal to 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. So PQ is equal to 19, SR is equal to 19. SR is equal to 19. Now I have to discuss another thing. Y and x plus 7. Y and x plus 7. What is y and what is x plus 7? What is y? What is x plus 7? Y x plus 7. QR. As it is as PQ RS is a parallelogram. So PS is equal to QR. Now I have to calculate QR. QR is equal to x plus 7. X is equal to what? We know that X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. X is equal to that PS. And now X, as it is parallelogram, PS is equal to Y is equal to 17. Okay. I have to discuss Y is equal to 17 and Q is equal to 17. Okay. I am just discussing this. I have to discuss it further. Suppose this is a segment. Set the segments are equal. PQ, Q, RS. Then PQ RS is equal to what? Y, that is X plus 7 and that is X plus 9 and that is 26 minus 1. Okay. I have to discuss the segment of find the X. We have to find the X, value of X. Set segment length is equal. Segment length is equal. Set the segment length are equal. Length is equal. Length are equal. 1. And substitute the substitute X plus 9 and X plus 9 for PQ and PQ line. PQ line and 26 minus 1. So for SR. So X plus 9 is equal to 26 minus 1. Or X is equal to anyhow is equal to 10. Find the X. X is equal to 10. And now SR. Please subscribe me, and if you like prefer my lectures, please subscribe me. SR is equal to what? 26 minus 1 is equal to 20 to 10 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. SR. And PQ is equal to X plus 9 is equal to 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. I have discussed further. Now I have to use this. Subscribe me, please subscribe me if you like my lecture. And now PS is equal to sorry to say PS is equal to QR. PS is equal to QR. So QR is equal to X plus 7, X is equal to 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Now PS. Now PS. P is equal to Y. Please subscribe me if you like or prefer my lecture. P is equal to Y is equal to X plus 7 is equal to 17. So this is a parallelogram. Now I have to discuss some theory of coordinate geometry. Suppose suppose in the diagram O origin 0 x hash y hash. Suppose I have to know. Suppose this is a straight line. This is a straight line. AB. Suppose AB. AB, the straight line of the straight line, straight line of AB. AB. The straight line of AB is what? Is parallel to x-axis. So this AB is equal to AB. Coordinate geometry AB y and equal to y plus y is equal to b. AB coordinate AB y is equal to b. Y is equal to b. B. Okay. AB because as axis is parallel to axis is y is equal to b. That means now I have to calculate y is equal to p. AB. Suppose y is equal to b means x into 0 plus b. So m is equal to what? 0. M1 is equal to 0. Because so sorry, m1 into x plus b is equal to m1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now I have to discuss another thing. m1 is equal to 0. m1 is equal to 0. Now I have to discuss another diagram. Suppose y hash O 0 x hash. Now CD 0 to A. Suppose what that CD certain is parallel to y-axis. So what is the x is equal to a? X is equal to a. Y-axis is x is equal to a. So x is equal to a means what? X is equal to a means y into 0 plus x minus x plus x minus x is equal to minus then or 0x minus x. Okay. And then y is equal to 0, x is equal to into 1 minus x. That means it may be x plus x into m2 minus x. So m2 is equal to maybe 1. M2 is equal to maybe 1. This is just normal discussion to gain knowledge of quadrant, nothing but only quadrant. Now I am discussing another thing. Suppose it is a quadrant. O 0 0 x and y hash x hash. Okay. Y. And now I am discussing about the suppose that's this point. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3. So and 1, 2, 3. So it is a 3, 3. Okay. 0 A O A B. B 1, 2, 3. 3, 0. Now I have to discuss OAB. Triangle OAB. What? OAB triangle is a half of suppose x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Okay. Now x1 half x1 what? x1 is equal to 0. x2 is equal to x2 is equal to what? x2 is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. y1 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 3 and y3 is equal to 0 and 1, 1, 1. This is a determined system. Plus minus plus. Okay. One. Go to half. Suppose 0, minus 0 and plus 1 is equal to 3 into 0 minus 3 into minus 3 into 3. So 3 the 3 into 3 into 3 into 0. So calculate half is equal to into 9 is equal to 4.5 square unit. I have to draw this picture easily. Suppose imagine O is equal to 0, 0. Okay. A is equal to 3, 3. Okay. And B is equal to 3, 0. Okay. So triangle OAB is equal to what? Half x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Then now the calculation. I have to furtherly draw this. Half x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0 and 1. Sorry, I have to write it. x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, 1, 1. And x2 is equal to x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 0, 3, x2 is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 0, 3, 0, 1, 1. x1 0, x2 3, x3 3, y1 0, y2 3, y3 0, 1, 1. Now calculation 0, 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1 into there 3 to 3 minus 3 to 0 half into 9 into 4.5 square unit. Thank you very much. And starting subscribe my subscribe my letter. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. And just visit some how to subscribe me.